Hi, it's Patrick Cranston of Cranston IT with your Bionic Business vlog. It's my passion to help you use technology to make your business faster, stronger, better. And today we're talking about managed power. And I have with me a power strip. It looks like your standard power strip. It's got 6 ports on it. But if you look at the end of the power strip, you'll notice there is a port here for Ethernet. And it also has an integrated Wi-Fi chip. So we can connect this powered strip to the internet or to the network, which can connect out to the internet. Once it's on the network, we can now control each of these ports on this power strip, each outlet on the power strip individually, and we can power cycle that as needed. So where would this be helpful for our clients? Well, all our clients have internet connections, and those internet connections are done through a modem or router provided by your internet service provider. And from time to time, they have problems. And so you have to call the internet service provider, or you just have to go over. And because the first thing they're going to do is they're going to tell you to power cycle the modem or power cycle your router. So with the managed power strip in place, this device can actually ping the internet and make sure that it has an internet connection. If it notices that the internet connection has gone down, it can automatically power cycle the outlet that the modem or router is plugged into. So this eliminates that step entirely. And for the client, it's great because maybe they don't have access to where the internet provider or the modem is, or maybe they just don't want to have to deal with calling us or calling the internet service provider and figuring out why their internet's down. This is a great first step. If it's only a modem reboot that's going to solve the problem, then that just happens automatically and they have no downtime where they just notice a real quick blip and then they're back up in business. Now this can also be helpful for any type of network equipment, servers, switches, other type of computer gear that is sitting on your network that maybe from time to time has problems, and we'd have to come on site or you'd have to do some troubleshooting and figure out how to reboot it and get it back up and running. Or maybe you're gone for the day and this server was supposed to be running overnight and now it's not running. And so someone's got to go back to the office to try and reboot it and get it back up and working. With a managed power supply, we no longer have to do that. We know what ports the servers are plugged into or whatever the gear is that we're having problems with, and we can remotely initiate a power cycle of that outlet, and that'll reboot the device and get it back up and running. And this doesn't work, and this is not only just for computer equipment. Any equipment that plugs into a 110 outlet you can use on this power strip. So this could be other types of hardware or machines, things in your office or production area that you have that you may want to be able to remotely power on and off. Or maybe you only want them to run during a certain time of the day. These outlets can each be scheduled so that at night they turn off and then morning they turn back on, or whatever your needs are. You can control when power is getting supplied to the devices plugged into the power strip. So these power strips do come from Datto. It's Datto Networks, and they do sell exclusively to managed service providers like ourselves. So you could reach out to us if you have a need for managed power, or you could find a managed service provider in your area that provides Datto equipment and get Datto managed power in your facility today. If you found my information helpful, please like and share this post. If you have feedback or a question you would like answered, please post a comment or send an email to ask@cranstonit.com, and I'll try to answer it in a future video.